Making your proposal process feel premium can dramatically improve how your clients perceive your business. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take your proposals to the next level so they feel top tier every time you send them. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or running a business, a premium proposal process isn't just about looks, it's about the experience. Stick around because I'll reveal how a simple tool can make it all come together seamlessly. First off, you need to ditch the old, generic proposal templates. Customization is key. A premium proposal feels like it's been tailored just for the client. It should speak to their unique needs, not just your general service offerings. Use their branding, their language, and their specific goals. This shows them that you're not just throwing something together, you're committed to their success. Next, let's talk about presentation. This is where a lot of people fall short. How you present your proposal says a lot about the value you're offering. Instead of sending a Word document or a plain PDF, opt for something visually engaging. Use an intuitive software to create a sleek, modern design that's easy to navigate. It's about making your proposal feel like a finished product, not a draft. The software we'll be using in this tutorial is ideal for creating polished, professional proposals that wow clients from the moment they open it. But it's not just about looks, it's about structure. A premium proposal has a clear, logical flow that guides the client through every section. Start with an engaging cover page that sets the tone, then move on to an introduction that directly speaks to their needs and objectives. Your solutions should follow naturally with a detailed breakdown of what you're offering, along with any timelines or deliverables. Keep it concise but comprehensive. Clients want to see the value in every line. Now include some social proof. Adding testimonials or case studies that are relevant to the client's industry or situation can make a huge difference. It adds credibility and reinforces that you've successfully delivered similar projects before. A premium proposal isn't just about your offering, it's about the trust and experience you bring to the table. Lastly, make the next steps crystal clear. Don't leave your client guessing about what to do next, whether it's a call to action or a simple step for them to approve the proposal. Guide them on what happens after they accept. This shows confidence and keeps the process moving forward smoothly. To pull all this together, I've tried several popular proposal software options, and I found the one that stands out for creating seamless, premium proposals. You'll be able to access an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below if you want to follow along and see the impact for yourself. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: making your proposal process feel premium isn't just about the visuals. It's about creating an experience that's tailored to your client, easy to navigate, and backed by solid proof. When you combine a personalized approach with polished design, you'll instantly elevate how your proposals are received. To recap, start by customizing each proposal. Invest in software that enhances your design and functionality. Provide social proof and clearly outline next steps. And don't forget to take advantage of that free trial linked below to see how this software can streamline your process. Thanks for watching.